Yes, students, we are talking about A union B complement.
Yes.
Complement means whatever the question you have given, just subtract the universal set and then minus the given set. Okay, here universal set, always we subtract the relevant set from the universal set. Please listen to me, I am telling again and again, always subtract the given set from the universal set. Okay, and then minus which elements, which set I will write here. Tell me which set I will write here. कौन सा सेट यहाँ पे लिखना है मैंने? Universal set minus A union B. Yes, class, tell me. Can you tell me, students? यहाँ पे हम कौन सा सेट लिखेंगे? Universal set minus A union B. So where is A union B? Yes, class. बताइए A union B कहाँ पर है?
FACE.
No dear. A union B ये रहा, ये वाला सेट है हमारे पास.
ACDEGF.
Yes. We have, ये हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया था ना. Okay. For your easiness, I am shifting that set here. It's A union B set. Okay. Here A union B set we have calculated and then put according to given condition here. First of all, we calculated A union B because we didn't have A union B. To find out the A union B complement, we first calculate the A union B, then according to given condition, universal set minus A union B set. Okay, we are on the recording.
Yeah.
Okay, class, listen to me carefully. Okay, in complement what we do? Complement में हम क्या करते हैं? Tell me. A union
उन्हीं का पैसा इतने टाइम का पैसा पे तो सोचो है.
Yes, class.
ना मुझे भाग के देवाई तो लौड़ा देवाई तो उड़ा तो देगी.
We will write the non-common elements. We will write the non-common elements. Tell me.
मुझे गांव से कौन जाए कपड़ा किस बार जब तक सिलाई पैसा नहीं देवाया.
जल्दी से बताइए क्लास.
आने भी उनका दिमाग खराब करिए.
जो कॉमन नहीं है इनमें. Tell me.
ABC.
ABC is common. I think all sets are common, right? ये सारे sets क्या आ रहे हैं?
Miss B नहीं है.
B is नहीं है. B is not okay. B is the answer. Very good, Sakib. B is the answer. A union B complements answer. Now got it? First of all, A union B. It's the answer of A union B. Then we will have to take out the complement. Now, complement means universal set. Universal set is always given in question. Universal set minus A union B, and then in complement means, in minus set means you will write the non-common elements. Okay. Now, A intersection B complement. For this, what you will write here? A intersection B complement. क्या लिखेंगे हम? A union B, A intersection B complement के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Yes, class. Any idea?
No.
No idea. Try to give me the answer. Just say, always give me no. First of all,
EF.
you have B complement. आपके पास B complement है? No. First of all, we will take out B complement. Okay. पहले हमारे पास B complement की वैल्यू तो है ही नहीं. First of all, we will calculate B complement like this. B complement is equal to universal set minus set B. Is that clear, students? Is equal.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर देखिए, अब हम लोग इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट की वैल्यूज पुट कर रहे हैं. A C D. It's A B comma. It's a universal set. C comma F comma G. Okay. A B C D E F G. Yes. Minus set B. Why I am doing this? Because in set we will have to find out A intersection B complement. B complement we don't have. So first of all we will take out B complement and then value of B. Value of B we have element we have E comma G comma D comma F. Is that clear? Now this is the time to take out complement. Non-common elements, hurry up, tell me. इसमें non-common elements, which are the non-common elements from the given sets? Tell me.
Miss B.
A comma
C B.
C.
A B. C. A B.
Also non-common.
A B C.
Only? No, it's B and C.
Miss सही है.
A, B and C, while E, F, E, G, D, F are the same. Okay. Next step we will have. अब क्या हमें करना है बताइए? According to question. What is the next step? We calculated B complement. Now arrange the values according to given question. A complement. Here we use the symbol of complement. Control V and then here we will.
A के बाद जो लिखा हुआ है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Where? This time.
Yes.
Complement. This is the symbol of complement, okay? And you have to find out the complement of this set. Okay. Complement means set of elements of A. यहाँ पर set of elements of A हम लिखेंगे. We have given in the question. This is set A. I can pick from the above and put here. Okay, this is set of A, and then complement sign we have given from the above set. Okay, and then set B, which is the set B complement. Set B complement कौन सा है हमारे पास? I am putting the sets according to given condition. Here you can see as like this. Okay, listen to me. A complement, find out with the A intersection B complement. A set intersection B complement. Okay. Now tell me which are the common elements in set A intersection B complement. इन दोनों सेट्स में से intersection में and then only A and C. Okay.
And C.
This is the solution of A intersection B complement. Okay. And now the last question and the other question you will do it by yourself. If we have a given set with a null set, universal set, U means universal, this type of symbol means union, and this is null set. Union set, union, universal. Okay class? Union. Union set we have. Last question of the class. Okay. Universal set we have given A, B, C, E, comma F, G. Yes, Hamza, what are you saying? This is this. This is a null set symbol. Null set. Null set means when the number of elements are 0. जब elements when there is no element in null set and empty set. Okay, ये देखिए just like this, ये हमारे पास null set है. When there is no elements, getting my point? यहाँ पे कोई element हम नहीं लिखते, null set है ये. Okay, tell me the answer of union. जब हम null set के साथ इसका union निकालेंगे empty set का, तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
A B C D E F G.
Very good. Answer will be the same. A, comma B, comma C, comma D, E, F, and and G. Okay, this is the answer. A union, intersection. Okay. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूँ intersection की, तो intersection में क्या है? मुझे बता दीजिए. Intersection में क्या करेंगे हम? First of all, write the universal set or whatever the set you have given. आपको जो भी set given होगा आप वो लिखेंगे. And then put the intersection symbol. Intersection का हमने symbol यहाँ पे put किया. Then, okay, null set symbol. Null set elements. Null sets, this set always remain. And empty set. Okay, अब मुझे बताइए complement में हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे?
A B C D E F G.
No. Complement intersection means common element in both sides. Is there any common symbol element from the given set?
No.
So answer will be null set. When there is no common set in the element in the given set, so answer will be null set. ये बिल्कुल empty है, यहाँ पे sets हैं, दोनों में कुछ common ही नहीं है. There is no common element between these. Null set. Got it, class?
Yes.
Got it.
I will send you the homework through the end of our class. Okay. Is there any question?
No.
Okay.